Hello everyone, this is Aryan from section 3. My roll number is 21MT30012. So this is my DIY project and I have made a chess piece. This is a queen from the game of chess, and I'm going to explain some of the uh, parts I have used to make this design. Firstly, I started with a two-dimensional sketch of the piece. I made a sketch and then used the revolve option in order to make the chess piece. So after the revolve option, I used some parts like the spear, additive spear, subtractive spear, and also these all are the part designs. So I used them, like I used the additive cylinder, additive spear. I used subtractive cylinder, subtractive spear. As you can see here, I used them to create this structures, this sphere, small sphere, this larger sphere. I used all these to create these elements. Also then I used the fillet. See this here cylinder is also present. I used the fillet to make the smooth edges. Fillets are also used here to make the edges smooth. And yeah, after the whole process, after making all the parts, also these slots which are made here, I made them using subtractive cylinders. The boolean expression does the same thing. I took cylinders and made them at an angle to the axis and then revolved them by making slots. So the slots were made by subtraction. So after all this, what I did was I went to mesh design, and in mesh design I went to meshes. After meshes, to create mesh from shape, then I created a mesh and exported the file to an STL file. The same file I imported it in Cura. So this is, you can see in Cura, this is my design. I set it to draft fast 0.2 mm and infill was 100% because I wanted to make it strong. The adhesion type was brim. The temperature was 200 degrees Celsius printing, and build plate temperature was 80 degrees Celsius. Speed was 60 mm per second, and extruder 1 and extruder 2 both had the same settings. So this was it, and after that I made the G code using export from here and made the G code. So yeah, this was my design for the DIY assignment 1.